All right, so this is exponents, exponential. So everything that has the exponent of a variable, you've got 9 to the exponent of x, and then you've got plus the 9, and then equals to 10 multiplied by 3 to the exponent of x. So the 3 is fine. The 9 we know when it can be written as 3 squared. This is quadratic. So we can write that as 3, let's use red, it's going to be 3 to the power of 2, but it's going to multiply that x. So already it's 2x, that one. And then the 9, you don't have to because it's not exponent. And then equals to 10 times 3 to the exponent. Then you just bring them together. This is a quadratic formula. So you're having 3 to the 2x. I bring this one, which is going to be negative 10 times 3 to the x. And then I've got plus 9 equals to 0. And you guys, you love to use the K method. Here and here. That's where you're going to have, this is going to be k squared minus 10k. And then plus 9 equals to 0. And then you factorize. When you write, let k equals to 3 to the power of x. That's exponent there. All right, so let's just write it anyway. I just went ahead very quick. Let k equals to 3 to the x. You have seen something like this, haven't you, before?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I factorize that thing, the k one. So we now have k, and then we also have k here, and then equals to 0. The factors of 9 is 3 and 3, 9 and 1. 9 and 1 will do because I already know 9 and 1, when I add them, it's negative 10. It's 10. So it's negative there, it's negative there. Then you are going to have k equals to 9. Or the other one, it's going to be k equals to 1. Then you are not done. Normally, you write the story, you kind of like, but k equals to 3 to the x. So that means in place of the red boxes, you must put 3 to the x there. All right, so for the first one tells me I've got 3 to the x equals to 9. Or the second one tells me 3 to the x equals to 1. So this one, like we said, is the same as 3 squared. Let me write everything right at the top. All right, so whatever it's in the brown box, it's gonna go right at the top. It's gonna go right at the top. All right, so here we go. Let me go in brown myself. I'm starting with this one here, 3x. I mean 3 to the x. So you've got 3 to the x must be equals to 3 squared. So the base are the same. So now you can write, therefore, x equals to 2. And then you can also go, or using that other one, 3 to the exponent of x equals to 1. Well, you know you can change that. It's actually 3 to the 0. 3 to the 0 gives 1. Then you can also write, or the value of x must be 0. So that and also that are your solution. Don't worry, they're going to come do this as well. All right, so there we go, because the next thing, it's actually simultaneous equation. I'm just keeping it on its own.